Picture this. You're tired from a long day of working. There's no time to exercise. All you want to do, come home, sit down, and watch some TV. Well, what if I told you there's a way to do both? I have for you here, I'd like to introduce you the solution to all of your problems. It's the Yesoul G1M Max, and they sent it to me to show to you guys. We're just gonna get it open and put it together and see how it feels. Okay, I'm already confusion. What is gonna come out first? Should I just put this upside down and just lift it probably? I should probably do that. Please unpack from this side. Oh my God. You're just gonna have to deal with it. Look at that, by the way. Immersive 21.5 inch 1080p FHD screen, 4-channel speaker, 360-degree sound, free and unlimited streaming. We'll see about that. I hope this doesn't all come apart. Camel-lady, be ready. Oh my God, is it falling? Okay. The garage door! I can't get out of frame, can I? It was worth it for the bike. What is this? Seat. Noise. Speaker. I think this is the thing that rotates the screen. Whoever packed this is very good at their job. It is packed. Get out. I don't know. Something. Yeah, I just wanted to mention that like the packaging was just really good. Like you could just see like the foam is just like perfectly in there and like nothing moved. And everything was just like, I mean, it's kind of hard to get all the tape and everything off, but like, dude, this thing, there's no way anything happened to this. If there's anything wrong with it, it's because I'm breaking it in my garage. Okay, so now I'm just unboxing the monitor so we can start connecting it. I have most of it together already. We just need all the electronics now. Wow. We got a little computer monitor. Wow. Pretty cute. There's the screws. And the screws are on the back already. Okay, we're all done. So here's the bike, the Yesoul G1M Max. I haven't had the pleasure of trying it out yet, but I just want to show you guys a few cool features. It's got a nice cute little butt seat. It's got 2 rear speakers, a left and a right. It's got your monitor here with your little speaker, and then you have volume control here. All your stuff's connected in the back. And then the power cord is just down here. You just plug it in. It's in a nice convenient spot. So this is your adjustability for your, your resistance and stuff like that. So okay, it also comes with a little removable seat cover. I have it on to cushion my butt, but you don't need it, but it's kind of nice. So we're gonna leave it on because I like it. Okay, and then you have your adjustable height, which has got to be this one. You just unscrew it. That's too far. Just got to get it into one of these little holes. And then if you're tall like me, then your butt will be high in the air where it belongs. And then you can also move the seat back or forward. In case you're a long boy like me and I just unplugged the speakers. Okay. I'm activated. Okay. And yeah, that's the adjustability for your height and for your seat. 360. Huh? Now you can exercise and just look at the back of the screen. Like for example, I was thinking like, well, why would you even need to rotate the screen if you're just gonna be sitting on the bike? A couple of different things, like if you wanted to stretch beforehand, you could watch like a stretching YouTube video. So you could just come here, rotate this out real quick, and then you can sit here, put your YouTube on, put your thing on, you got plenty of space to stretch and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. I guess we're just gonna hop on and give it a try and see how it goes. Is it working? Is it showing anything? It's not showing anything? Oh, there we go. Okay, we're getting some, oh my God, this is way too hard. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're going, baby. We're going. Yeah, I turned it down all the way because that was really hard. You could just loosen it down here. And I'm gone, son. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You could just take your bike and then you have all your info right here. And then if you want to like play music in the background, you can do that. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Like I'm a big dude. I'm way too high up right now, as you can see. So it's like, it's got way more adjustability than I would ever need. I'm 6'3", over 200 pounds. I feel pretty safe on it. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall over or anything like that. It seems pretty sturdy to me. It's got the 2 little water bottle holders on it too, which I think are cool. They're like right there. That's pretty cute. And then you have your little phone holder. I mean, that's pretty much it. It's a good little bike. I really like how smooth it feels. Like you can tell that it was really well built and that like, you know, everything's greased nice. Everything was pretty easy to assemble. It took a long time, but it was very easy to follow the instructions. So whoever came up with it and designed it and thought about the packaging and stuff, they did a pretty good job. I feel like it's fairly intuitive. I didn't have to look at the instructions too much. It was pretty telling where all the bolts were, and like people screwed the screws into the place they were supposed to be. So when you took the piece out, you just unscrew and you already know, okay, this goes here. I love that. I love stuff like that. So you can tell somebody over there Yesoul really cares about the user experience. But yeah, even my feet, like size 14 feet, they fit in there. I don't have any complaints. It doesn't feel like a child's toy to me. It feels like a real exercise bike that belongs in a gym. That's pretty much it. And that whole time I was talking to you about that, I was also biking 0.67 miles. So looks like you can do a bunch of stuff. 0.69, nice. See, now I could record YouTube videos and exercise at the same time. You guys won't even know. And that's pretty much it. And now I'm out of breath. I think this is a great little bike. I think it does exactly what you want it to do. Yeah, 10 out of 10 experience. It's gonna sit in my garage and we're gonna be using it. I like this thing. I'm probably gonna throw another monitor on it personally. I think it's real great. If you don't have time to walk around and, you know, go outside and exercise, but you got a garage or you got an extra room and you wanna get your exercise in, then it's a great little tool. So hope you enjoyed the video. Smash like, subscribe. If you want to see more stuff like this, more tech, more exercise equipment, let me know. Exercise Bike Man out. Thanks for watching.